Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to calculate rank in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So for calculating the rank, so here we will apply a formula of rank is equal and rank. So when we will write here rank, Excel will automatically suggest a formula of rank. So just click on it and then select the number by which you want to compare the other values. So after this, use a comma and then select the whole values. So after that, here you can see C2 to C7 cells. So before 2, so we will press F4 functions for lock the values. So here we will also press the F4 functions before 7. So after this, use a comma. So if you want to get order in ascending, so select ascending. So if you want to get order in descending, so select descending. So after this, close the bracket and press enter button. So you can see order is calculated. So place the cursor on the bottom right side of the cells. So after that, drag to lower end. So you can see the rank is calculated of all other values. So you can see number 1 rank is for maximum values and number 5 is for minimum values. So guys, in this way you can calculate rank of any values in the Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.